Hello everyone. The topic which we will talk about today is what is the length of Kali Yuga or the Dark Age. Now, in the video about the explanation of Yuga cycle, I explained how the Kali Yuga lasts for a total of 2400 years, which comprises of 1200 years of descending Kali Yuga, which is the actual Kali Yuga, plus 1200 years of ascending Kali Yuga, which is more of a recovering phase. Now, due to the popular belief that the Kali Yuga or the Dark Age lasts for 4,32,000 years, there was a lot of confusion and we found it difficult to accept the fact that the Kali Yuga lasts only for 2400 years. Now, this difference, well, but that is not an excuse to remain in darkness and just go on like that. Fortunately, I have found the answer to this confusion and I am sure you would also want to know the answer. So let's get ready to explore. So guys, when we are talking about a topic like the yugas, we need to be specific about which type of yuga cycle are we talking about. Yes, there is not one but several yuga cycles which are relative to each other. So, which are the different yuga cycles that we are talking about? Prominently, there are three types of yuga cycles, and understanding these three yuga cycles is important for each and every living soul in this universe who is interested to know about the truth. So, the yuga cycles are three. First is the human yuga cycle or the human cycle calendar. In my video on the yuga cycle, it is this human cycle that I have explained in detail, and not only this, it is this human cycle that is being talked about in the Bible and the Quran. It is interesting that the Bible and the Quran have prophesied that the world will end after the Dark Age or the Kali Yuga, which does indicate the present time. So indeed, mankind as a creation is really living in the end of days. Really, when they are talking about the end of the world, they are really talking about the end of mankind. Does the end of mankind also mean the end of the earth or the end of the universe? Certainly not. Well, I am telling that the mankind is going to end, so is there anything for us to fear? No. Reason why you need not fear death that you will find in the Sanatan Dharma or the eternal religion scriptures, which we popularly know today as the Hindu scriptures. The Hindu scriptures tell us that we are not this body, but we all are souls, which are part of the super soul called Paramatma or Parmeshwar or Parabrahma. So friends, we as the souls are not subject to death because indeed we are the eternal souls. So now let's see the human cycle. Now you are going to see the human cycle on the screen with details of the period of each yuga. So what you saw just now was the human cycle calendar. If you want to know about it in detail, then I will advise you to watch my video titled Yugas, the Cycles of Time Explained. Now let's see the other two types of yuga cycles, which are the cycles above the human cycle. So the second cycle is the planetary cycle calendar, which we will see now on the screen. And then the third cycle, which is still higher than the previous two, called the solar cycle or the Indian cosmic cycle calendar or the universal cycle calendar, which you will see on the screen now. Now all these cycles are taken from the book Babaji, the Lightning Standing Still by Yogiraj Gurunath Siddhanath. Just so that you know that all these cycles are related, I would like to tell you that the author has informed to have taken the human cycle from the book The Holy Science by Swami Sri Yukteswar, and on top of the human cycle he has calculated the planetary cycle. I have mentioned about the Holy Science book and its author Swami Sri Yukteswar in my video Yugas, the Cycles of Time Explained. So if you would like, I will recommend you read both these books. So we can see that the smaller Yuga cycle is situated inside a larger Yuga cycle. That means when we are talking about evolution, we should not forget that there is not only evolution of humans, but the planet Earth is also evolving. And on top of that, the whole universe itself is evolving. So now you know that the Kali Yuga, which is said to last for 432,000 years, is the Kali Yuga according to the cosmic cycle calendar. In other words, it is the universal Kali Yuga. But we are less concerned about that, and we should consider the human cycle calendar, wherein the age of the Kali Yuga is 1200 years. I hope this puts an end to the confusion around the topic of the length of Kali Yuga. See you soon. If you like this video and would want to dive deeper into the depths of this holy science of spirituality, I would insist you to subscribe to this channel.